So now I'll do a quick walkthrough of my latest case, the project we built for the BowFresh store. BowFresh is a store that sells fresh juices, smoothies, fruit salads, whole fruits, and a few other categories. The main task overall was to create a convenient website for customers and for the owner, where customers can order products online, different fruits, juices, as I already mentioned. We also integrated delivery on this site, which makes it not just a nice looking business card, but an additional source of orders. So let me switch from the main site over to the dashboard manager so you can actually see the functionality that's here, how convenient everything is to edit, and how it looks through the eyes of the owner or store manager. For the dashboard, I decided to make two separate accounts, one for the admin, that is the store owner, and the second for the courier, so that access to orders could be granted and the courier could accept and process them accordingly. Right now, I have the store owner's admin page open and we see the main page with orders. This is all test data that I ran through because the site is just starting to operate. I've already handed it over to the client and it will be launched into operation soon. But for now, I'm showing you all of this with test data just so you can see what it will look like. At the top, we have three main categories: orders, products, and inquiries. Let's start by going through orders. There's separate statistics by day. The main numbers that matter to the owner are revenue, number of orders, average order value, and how many active new orders there are right now. Those are marked separately. I can click here right away and view the currently active orders, orders that haven't been processed yet. At first, they're either confirmed or cancelled here. After confirmation, they move into the in progress status. A new order appears, and from there, you can keep managing it. Confirmed, preparing, on the way, ready for pickup, so the courier can see this information, so the owner can see this information. And this way, at every stage, you can track the status of each order. There's all the necessary information: delivery address, customer phone number, total cost. So everything is there to process each order correctly and conveniently. Let's go through the analytics section to finish up. This is the revenue trend, also a very interesting metric we can analyze and one that's genuinely important. The next two important categories are the statuses, so you can understand the breakdown by each category, and a really useful little table, the top products list. That's statistics on quantity, which products get ordered most often. Alright, now let's move to the products tab. This is also a very important section where product setup begins, built specifically for the client. We discussed together how it would be convenient for him to edit each product category. Now he can edit the quantity of each product from this dashboard, add or remove products within each category. Let me open a product now so you can see how it looks. A really cool feature I built is the live preview. Every change made right in this panel is instantly reflected on the right in this little window, so we immediately see how it will look on the site. For example, let me type here avocado plus apricot plus typing, and we see that the name instantly updates with plus peach added, and it's the same with literally every field we fill in this window. For example, the price was 160. I raised the price to 170, and instantly in the window the price becomes 170. After that, all you need to do is click save and the changes appear on the main site right away. So this doesn't just sound like words. Let me actually show how it looks. Okay, the price was 165. Let me set it back to 175. Click save. Alright, so we just edited the smoothies category. Let's go to smoothies. We see avocado plus apricot, price 175. The changes happen instantly. Let's go back to the dashboard. The last tab I haven't shown yet is inquiries. This is where all customer inquiries submitted from the main site through the widget will show up. Let me go back to the main site now and show you how this happens from there so we can get a new inquiry right away and you can see with a real example how it works. Clicking the widget icon, by the way, I didn't mention that there's also an option to check your order status here. To do that, you just need to enter your order number or the phone number the order was placed with, and that's enough to get information about the current status of your order. Let me test this right away. I'll check one of the currently active orders in the dashboard. Okay, found an active order. Let me change its status here from confirmed to on the way right away, just to make it more illustrative. Let's take it by order number, back on the main site. I paste the order number here, click find, and the information shows the current status, on the way. Now let's show one more feature as promised. Contact us. We enter the phone number and write the question we're interested in. Send. The request has been sent. Now let's check the dashboard. I go into the inquiries tab and we see our new inquiry. So that's how it works. And that's basically the whole main set of functionality I wanted to show.